Shinobi vlog, top of the world, ma. Hit it. So today I wanted to talk a little bit about influence and how we can influence people around us and how they influence us in a positive or in a negative way. Yesterday I was having one of those bad days where I couldn't do anything right. Nothing was going well, everyone was on my back. I just couldn't hit a break and I was starting to doubt myself and I was starting to question what I'm doing, why I'm here, where am I going, that kind of shit. And that pops up, I think, with everybody every now and then. And then I was starting to I was almost engrossed in that emotion of just negativity. And out of the blue, I got a message on Facebook from a good friend that said, thank you for making videos. It inspired me to get off and do my own. And it completely changed my whole mindset instantly. So I went from being melancholy to happy. And I think we have the effect, or we have the power to change situations just by our words. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to spontaneously every now and then just send people that have influenced me in a positive way, maybe give them some positive information, or it showed me a technique, or said something one time to me that they didn't know it made a difference in my life, but it did. And just send them how I feel about it, and thank you very much, because you never know what way people are thinking, and if you can send a little bit of positivity without looking for favour, it's good karma. Because karma is not just about doing. People think karma is I do good stuff happens, and it's also about thinking good. If I'm doing good stuff and thinking negative, I'm going to have negativity. I need to think positive, I need to think good. And also, you also need to do things not for favour, just to serve people for nothing. I'm not looking for something in return. If I do that, that's barter. Then I'm not serving people. If I want to do good, don't look for something in return, it will come anyways. So check out where I am. I'm on the top of the world. You have the mountains behind me. All the way around here, super slow, glorious day. Great day to be alive. And in the background, you have the seaside. So till the next one, #Rafta. Spread the love, people.